The science of supplementation. For athletes, performance and recovery are everything. Whether you're training for a competition or just striving to be the best version of yourself, supplements can play a key role in enhancing results. But with so many options out there, how do you know what's worth your time and money? In this video, we're breaking down the top supplements for athletes, their benefits, and how they can help you reach your peak performance. From boosting energy to speeding up recovery, we've got you covered. Protein powders. The building blocks of muscle protein is essential for muscle repair, growth, and recovery, making protein powders a staple for athletes. Benefits. Provides your body with essential amino acids to rebuild muscles after workouts. It's particularly useful for those who struggle to meet their protein needs through diet alone. Types. Whey protein. Fast digesting, great for post-workout recovery. Casein protein. Slow digesting, ideal before bed to aid overnight muscle repair. Plant-based options. Perfect for vegans or those with dairy sensitivities. When to use. Take it post-workout or as a meal supplement to ensure you're meeting your daily protein needs. Creatin, power and strength enhancer. Creatin is one of the most researched and proven supplements for athletes, especially in strength and power sports. Benefits. Increases muscle strength and power output. When to use. Best taken daily, even on rest days, to maintain elevated muscle creatin levels. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. Recovery boosters. BCAAs are a group of essential amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, and valine, that are directly involved in muscle protein synthesis. Benefits. Reduces muscle soreness and fatigue after intense workouts. Supports muscle recovery and repair. Helps preserve lean muscle during calorie deficits. When to use. Ideal during or after workouts. Caffeine. The pre-workout powerhouse caffeine isn't just for your morning coffee. It's one of the most effective performance-enhancing supplements. Benefits. Boosts energy and focus during workouts. Enhances endurance by reducing perceived exertion. Improves reaction time and overall mental alertness. When to use. Take 30-60 minutes before exercise. Avoid taking it too late in the day to prevent sleep disruptions. Omega-3. Fatty acids, the inflammation fighters. Omega-3s, commonly found in fish oil, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which are crucial for recovery and overall health. Benefits. Reduces muscle soreness and joint pain. Supports heart and brain health. Enhances recovery from intense physical activity. When to use. Take daily with meals for consistent anti-inflammatory benefits. Multivitamins, filling the nutritional gaps. Athletes put their bodies through intense stress, increasing the need for vitamins and minerals. A high-quality multivitamin ensures you're not missing any essentials. Benefits. Supports overall health and immune function. Improves energy levels and recovery. Helps maintain bone and joint health. When to use. Take daily with food to ensure optimal absorption. Choose wisely, perform better. Supplements can give athletes the extra edge they need, but they're not a replacement for a solid diet and training program. Start with the basics: protein, creatine, and omega-3s, before diving into more specialized options like beta-alanine or BCAAs. Remember, every athlete is different. What works for one person might not work for another, so listen to your body and consult with a professional if you're unsure. Which supplements do you swear by? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on fitness and performance. Let's fuel your goals together.